Hey guys, it's Brennan from F1 Motorsports. Today we have a 370Z in the shop. It is getting a transmission replaced. We have a whole new transmission for the car. It's very hard to find parts for this transmission, surprisingly, so the owner decided just to get a whole new transmission. So I'll be dropping the old one, putting the new one in, and these are just great cars. We don't get them in the shop very often, but lots of fun and pretty quick. So here's the new transmission from Nissan themselves. We ordered it from the dealer. As you can see, the whole assembly is in here, and it's just gonna be a direct swap. So like every transmission, you're gonna wanna disconnect the O2 sensors and the other wiring for the transmission, like the sensors that are to it. And then obviously the slave cylinder, which is always attached to the side of the trans, and the differential. And the drive shaft. And then once you do that, obviously you can loosen all the bolts that hold it to the engine and it should drop. These are side-by-side comparisons of the two transmissions. This has all the parts you need to come with it. It doesn't have to be transferred or anything. The old trans does have this bracket, but I took it off to remove it, so that's why that's missing on the old one. Basically, you can just throw this in the car how it is from the package, and you're set to go. So that will do it for today's video on the 370Z. That is installing a brand new trans into the car and removing the old one. If you guys like this video, throw down a like and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell by it so you know when I post videos, and we'll see you guys in the next one.